पूरी टीम को कंग्रेचुलेशन, बहुत ही बढ़िया रहा ट्रेलर। मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि एक समय ऐसा था जब ऐसी मूवीज आया करती थी, दो भाइयों के झगड़े होते थे, एपिक्स, मतलब जैसे कि दीवार हो गई, राम लखन हो गई, तो आप सबसे जानना चाहते हैं कि आपने कहीं ये स्क्रिप्ट मिस की थी?
नहीं, आती रहती है हर साल में, हर 2 साल में एक बार कोई ना कोई भाइयों की कहानी आती रहती है।
बाबा बना रहा था तो बोल रहा है कि he was always talking about the same old film, what you talking about, Ram Lakhan and all that. He said कि that's always been my inspiration and I want to make it. और ये भाई भाई ये फैमिली का सीन तो चलते रहेगा ना, भिड़ो इमोशन तो वही है सब।
अक्षय, आपसे सवाल है मेरा कि आपने ओरिजिनल फिल्म देखी है, और देखी है तो उससे कितनी चीज़ें इस फिल्म में दर्शकों को देखने को मिलेगी उस तरीके की?
जी बिल्कुल, मैंने देखी है फिल्म और उससे काफ़ी बेहतरीन है ये फिल्म।
अगर अक्षय आपके बड़े भाई होते रियल में, तो कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ थी जो आप उनसे सीखते?
Actually, being on set with Akshay sir is like being in a Punjabi joke book. मतलब हर घंटे, और आधे जोक्स में बता भी नहीं तक बाकी लोगों को, बिकॉज थोड़े बहुत नॉन वेज भी होते हैं, तो
थोड़े बहुत नहीं, पूरे
हाँ करेक्ट। सो आई थिंक इनकी जो वोकेबुलरी है पंजाबी में, इनसे पंजाबी सीखता ज़रूर। मेरे खानदान में हम लोग होके भी बोलते नहीं हैं, और किकिंग पंचिंग तो मेरे को हेल्प कर ही चुके हैं एक्शन में, मार्शल आर्ट्स में जितना करते हैं, तो आई थिंक इनका जो लहजा है पंजाबी का।
This is my first Dharma production, and also working with Karan Malhotra has, I think, made me. It's almost like I feel like I've done like 10 movies. You know, just doing this one movie, because he's taught me so much. He's been very patient, and I've never actually done a role like this before. So there was a lot of hesitancy, and he kind of like, you know, him and Ekta. They were there for me, and they kind of raised all of that, and even Karan was very, I think, encouraging. And of course, you know, working with Akshay again, we worked in Household too, but we were not opposite to each other, so this was a great experience, even just in terms of the roles that we're both playing. I didn't have much with Sid, but
nothing at all actually. Only in the, you will only see me half naked and yeah, that's all we did.
I'm not complaining. And even Jackie sir, I think, you know, it's just such an honor just to be on this stage. It's just such an amazing
Thank you, lady.
bunch of men. So yeah.
I think he has done so brilliantly. I'm shocked myself. Yes, because he doesn't have a background of martial art or any kind of thing, but this boy has worked day and night in the gym, learning all the kind of moves, all kind of, you know, different kind of arts, whether it's jiu-jitsu or aikido, things which I don't think he even knew about it also, but this boy has done it, and I'm shocked myself that somebody can work so hard also. I thought I was a hard-working person, but here he comes, the man who works more harder than me.
Not at all, because you knew everything, sir. So it was not at all hard for him. It was very easy for him, because he's been kicking and punching since I've seen all your films. I mean, खिलाड़ी के ज़माने से आप.
Thanks for reminding me of my age.
बड़े भैया